Hello and welcome back to the channel for more updates in the Vallow Daybell case. Today is May 25th, 2021, also JJ Vallow's birthday, so a huge happy birthday to JJ. Please spare a thought for him today, light a candle, let's remember him as we go on with these new exciting documents. Chad Daybell and Lori Vallow Daybell were both charged today with a list of indictments brought down by the grand jury, so let's go through them and talk about what they mean. First up on your screen, we have Lori Vallow's arrest warrant. If you look at it, you see some of the things that are happening here. We've got criminal conspiracy, murder 1, criminal conspiracy, murder 1, murder 1 conspiracy, and grand theft. We'll go over these more clearly when we get to the actual indictment, but this was served on her, no bail. That's wonderful. All right, let's go. We also have Chad's arrest warrant. Again, we've got 2 criminal conspiracies, 3 murder 1, and 1 murder 1 conspiracy, as well as 2 insurance frauds. So, yeah, lots going on with Chad. I'm so pleased to see these charges cover such a wide array of everything. It doesn't look like they overlooked anything, so I'm very excited. Let's get into the actual indictments. All right, and these are kind of long. But they're pretty much the same document, just one for Lori and one for Chad. So I'm only going to read through it once. There's no point to read the same thing twice. Let's get going. Here's page 1. You see that this is from the state of Idaho versus Chad Guy Daybell and Lori Noreen Vallow, a.k.a. Lori Noreen Daybell. Chad Guy Daybell and Lori Noreen Vallow are accused by the grand jury of Fremont County by this indictment as follows. Count number 1. Conspiracy to commit first-degree murder and grand theft by deception, a felony. The defendants, Chad Guy Daybell, Lori Noreen Vallow, and Alex Cox, deceased, and other co-conspirators, both known and unknown, on or between the dates of October 26, 2018, and continuing until January 15, 2020, in the county of Madison, state of Idaho, and elsewhere, including Fremont County, Idaho, and as part of a continuing criminal transaction and common scheme or plan in Madison and Fremont counties, Idaho, did willfully and knowingly combine, conspire, confederate, and agree to commit murder in the first degree of Tylee Ryan and to commit grand theft by deception. Overt acts. In furtherance of the conspiracy to commit murder in the first degree of Tylee Ryan and grand theft by deception, and to effect the objects thereof, one or more of the following overt acts were committed by one or more of the subjects of the conspiracy, as part of a continuing criminal transaction and common scheme or plan within Madison and Fremont counties or elsewhere in the state of Idaho. Number 1. On or between October 26, 2018 and June 9, 2020, Chad Guy Daybell and Lori Noreen Vallow did endorse and espouse religious beliefs for the purpose of encouraging and or justifying the homicide of Tylee Ryan. Number 2. On or about August 16, 2019, Lori Noreen Vallow did change the deposit of Tylee Ryan's Social Security benefits from Tylee Ryan's J.P. Morgan Chase account to deposit money directly into Lori Noreen Vallow's personal BBVA bank account. On or about September 1st, Lori Noreen Vallow did move from Chandler, Arizona to Rexburg, Idaho, with Alex Cox, Tylee Ryan, and Joshua Jackson Vallow, hereinafter J.J. Vallow. On or about September 8, 2019, Chad Guy Daybell Googled SSW wind and visited a website entitled, "What is the definition of SSW wind direction?" On or about September 9, 2019, Alex Cox did go to 565 Pioneer Road, apartment 175, Rexburg, Idaho. Number 6. On or between September 19, 2019 and February 1, 2020, Lori Noreen Vallow failed or refused to contact the Social Security Administration as required by law to inform the Social Security Administration of Tylee Ryan's death. Number 7. On or before September 25, 2019 and January 22, 2020, Lori Noreen Vallow did wrongfully continue to collect 5 monthly Social Security survivor benefits on behalf of Tylee Ryan. Count number 2, first-degree murder, a felony. The defendants, Chad Guy Daybell and Lori Noreen Vallow, on or before the 8th and 9th day of September 2019 in the county of Madison, state of Idaho, and as part of a common scheme or plan or continuing criminal transaction between Madison and Fremont counties in Idaho, were concerned in the commission of a first-degree murder, and did aid and abet in its commission, or, not being present, advised and encouraged its commission, or by command compelled another to commit the crime, and did so with malice or forethought, and did so willfully, deliberately, and with premeditation, which resulted in the death of a human being, to wit, did either kill Tylee Ryan and or assist in the killing of Tylee Ryan, and or did encourage the killing of Tylee Ryan, and or did command another to kill Tylee Ryan. Count number 3. Conspiracy to commit first-degree murder and grand theft by deception. Again, it's pretty much the same paragraph as before, although this one is in relation to Joshua Jackson Vallow, known to us as J.J. Vallow. Overt acts. In furtherance of the conspiracy to commit murder in the first degree of J.J. Vallow, the following acts were done. Number 1. On or between October 26, 2018 and June 9, 2020, Chad Guy Daybell and Lori Noreen Vallow did endorse and teach religious beliefs for the purpose of justifying the homicide of J.J. Vallow. Number 2. On or about September 1, 2019, Lori Noreen Vallow did move from Chandler, Arizona to Rexburg, Idaho, with Alex Cox, Tylee Ryan, and Joshua Jackson Vallow. Number 3. On or about September 23, 2019, Alex Cox did take possession of J.J. Vallow. Number 4. On or about November 26, 2019, Lori Noreen Vallow provided a false and or misleading physical location of J.J. Vallow to law enforcement during a lawful investigation. Number 5. On or between September 23, 2019 and February 1, 2020, Lori Noreen Vallow failed or refused to contact the Social Security Administration as required by law to inform them of J.J. Vallow's death. Number 6. On or between the dates of September 9, 2019 and February 1, 2020, Lori Noreen Vallow did wrongfully continue to collect 4 monthly Social Security survivor benefits on behalf of J.J. Vallow and 4 monthly Social Security child in care payments. Count number 4. First-degree murder. Felony. The defendants, Chad Daybell and Lori Vallow, on or between the 22nd and 23rd day of September 2019 in the County of Madison, State of Idaho, and as part of a common scheme or plan or continuing criminal transaction between Madison and Fremont counties in Idaho, was concerned in the commission of a first-degree murder, and did aid and abet in its commission, or not being present, advised and encouraged in its commission, or by command compelled another to commit the crime, and did so with malice aforethought, and did so willfully, deliberately, and with premeditation, which resulted in the death of a human being, to wit, did either kill J.J. Vallow, and or assist in the killing of J.J. Vallow, and or did encourage the killing of J.J. Vallow, and or did command another to kill J.J. Vallow, in violation of Idaho Code sections, so on and so forth. Count number 5. Conspiracy to commit first-degree murder. That the defendants, Chad Guy Daybell, Lori Noreen Vallow, and Alex Cox, deceased, on or about October 1, 2018, to January 15, 2020, in the county of Fremont, state of Idaho, and elsewhere, including Madison County, and as part of a continuing transaction and common scheme or plan in Fremont counties, Idaho, did willfully and knowingly did combine or conspire to commit murder, and one or more such persons did an act to effect the object of the combination or conspiracy. Overt acts. In furtherance of the conspiracy to commit murder in the first degree of Tammy Daybell, and to effect the objects thereof, one or more of the following overt acts were committed. Let's list them. Number 1. On or about the dates of October 26, 2018 and June 9th, Chad Daybell and Lori Vallow did encourage and espouse religious beliefs for the purpose of justifying and or encouraging the homicide of Tammy Daybell. Number 2. On or about September 1st, 2019, Lori Vallow did move to Rexburg, Idaho, with Alex, Tylee, and Joshua Jackson Vallow. Number 3. Text messages between Chad and Lori regarding death percentages for Tammy and JJ in messages on July 30th, 2019. Number 4. Chad Daybell obtained a burner phone on September 18th, 2019. Number 5. Alex Cox obtained a burner phone on October 9th, 2019. Number 6. Text messages between Chad Daybell and Lori Vallow about Tammy Daybell being in limbo and Tammy being possessed by a spirit named Viola. Number 7. September 8, 2019. Chad Daybell signed application along with Tammy Daybell to increase her life map insurance to the maximum allowed under her policy. Number 8. Alex Cox attempted to shoot Tammy Daybell on October 9, 2019. Number 9. Alex Cox conducted multiple internet searches between the dates of October 8, 2019 and October 12, 2019, including searches related to Grendel drop and shooting through a Dodge Dakota. Number 10. Alex going to a gun range in the months before October 9th when the attempted shooting of Tammy Daybell takes place. Number 11. Alex traveled from Sportsman's Warehouse to the vicinity of the Daybell residence on October 19th, 2019. Number 12, Alex was in the church parking lot approximately 2.5 miles from the Daybell residence on the night of October 18th, 2019. Count number 6, first-degree murder. I won't read the whole paragraph, but again, this is first-degree murder charges for Chad and Lori in the murder of Tammy Daybell. Count 7, grand theft felony, that the defendant, Lori Noreen Vallow, on or between the dates of October 1st, 2019 and January 22nd, 2020, in the county of Madison, state of Idaho, did, as a common scheme or plan to continue criminal transaction between Madison and Fremont counties, by deceit and with the intent to deprive another of property, or to appropriate the same to herself or a third person, wrongfully take, obtain, withhold, or aid and abet another to take, obtain, or withhold the property of another, to wit, Social Security survivor benefits allocated for Tylee Ryan and J.J. Vallow. Count number 8, insurance fraud. This is the first of 2 charges for Chad. I'll just read one paragraph. That the defendant, Chad Guy Daybell, on or about October 19th to October 30th in the county of Madison, state of Idaho, did with the intent to defraud or deceive an insurer for the purpose of obtaining any money or benefit presented or caused to be presented to an insurer or other person, a statement as a part of or an order of support of a claim for payment of benefit, knowing that such statement would contain false, incomplete, or misleading information concerning any facts or thing material to such claim, to wit, did present and or cause to be presented an insurance beneficiary life form to Life Map Assurance Company in violation of Idaho Code Section 41293. So he also has another charge for doing the exact same thing, because they had 2 life insurance companies. One was Primerica Life Insurance. So that's the charging indictment, the true bill that was returned by the grand jury for Chad and Lori, for JJ's death, Tylee's death, and Tammy's death, as well as the financial fraud that went with it. That's something. All right, so you can find the documents. They're up on East Idaho News. Justin Lum has them. Nate, Eric, they all have them. They're up in our Discord server. They're on the court website. Wherever you want the documents, go ahead and grab them, and you can read through them more slowly yourself. There are a few other documents that were also posted. The witness list for the grand jury. I don't feel real comfortable putting that up, so I'm going to leave it down on your screen right now. I will put just the condensed list of charges, so if you just want to see that really quick. We have count 1, Lori and Chad, for the death of Tylee, for conspiracy to commit first-degree murder. Count 2 for Lori and Chad, for the death of Tylee Ryan, first-degree murder. Count 3 for Lori and Chad, for the death of J.J. Vallow, conspiracy to commit first-degree murder. Count 4, Lori and Chad, for the death of J.J. Vallow, first-degree murder. Count 5, Lori and Chad, conspiracy to commit first-degree murder for Tammy Daybell. Count 6, Chad Daybell, first-degree murder in the death of his wife Tammy. Count 7, 8, and 9, these are all of the financial and fraud claims. So, we've got murder charges and conspiracy to commit murder charges for Tylee and JJ. We have conspiracy to commit murder for both of them for Tammy, and first-degree murder for Chad for Tammy's death. So this is a fantastic list. They've covered all the bases. There's probably going to be more to come. We know all kinds of things that are going to come out in this trial. It's going to be a long mess. What's going to happen now? I'm not entirely sure. Tomorrow morning, we do have the arraignment scheduled before Judge Edens. Yay, we get to see Judge Edens again. He is the magistrate court judge who will be hearing the arraignments for Chad and Lori. And I'll bring those to you live when they happen tomorrow. So tune in here at 11:30 a.m. Central to watch those, and we'll talk about it. Where that goes from here, I'm not sure. It could get all wrapped into one giant big case, and all of these charges get lumped in together, or we're just going to have to wait and see. I don't know what's going to happen. So we'll find out more tomorrow. So stay tuned. Let's all take a minute and take a big sigh of relief. We finally have the murder charges. It looks like they are very, very thorough. And man, I am so excited. We are so much closer to justice now. Just that we have these. Yes, it's going to be a long time till we get to trial and through all kinds of hearings and all kinds of stuff. But we are definitely on the train. So yeah, let's take heart in that. Remember JJ today. It's his birthday. And all of you stay safe out there. I'll see you tomorrow morning for the arraignments. Bye for now.